go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
If you know Cory, you know about the quest. He's on a mission to try a pizza in every country we visit. But there's a catch. It has to be a true fusion of local flavors. Rinpung and Dzong took the challenge seriously and found us a spot in Paro serving Ema Datshi Pizza. It's exactly what it sounds like, the national dish of chili and cheese transformed into a pizza topping. It was a first for us and, surprisingly, a first for our guides, too. Seeing Rinpung and Dzong experience their own culture through the lens of a pizza was a highlight in itself. Quest officially complete, and with a serious Bhutanese kick. All right, Cory, what is this?
This is Ema Datshi Pizza.
An authentic Bhutanese pizza.
What is this?
Ema Datshi Pizza.
Ema Datshi Pizza in
Paro.
Bhutan.
Yay! After lunch, we headed to Rinpung Dzong. This felt like a significant milestone. This was the very first fortress we missed on our first day in the country. Back then, we were moving slow, still finding our mountain legs after trekking at 13,000 feet. Coming back to it now, after we've trekked through the valleys and crossed high passes, felt like a full circle moment. It's one of the finest examples of Bhutanese architecture, huge, imposing, and intricately detailed. Standing in the courtyard today, we aren't the same travelers who landed here 2 weeks ago. We've earned this view. We then made our way to Drukgyel Dzong. It's currently under a massive renovation to restore it to its former glory as the Fortress of Victory. But even with the scaffolding, the true history is palpable. It's a place that was built to celebrate the defense against northern invasions, and you can still feel that sentinel energy. We wrapped up the day by pulling over for a local archery match. Archery is the nation's sport here, but it's more of a social ritual than a competition. The targets are hundreds of yards away, almost impossible to see. But when someone hits the mark, the air fills with whistling and traditional victory dances. It's the perfect end to our day. A bit of history, a bit of skill, and a lot of local heart. That sounded like it.
Yes. Now they will dance. We hit the target.
They dance. Well, both of them dance.
They are partners.
Oh, okay.
And whoever hits the target will get that piece of cloth. Each target. You see, that's a. Oh, almost. Whole day to almost. Almost. Chest. İşte cebir mini beni. Burası tabii.
Now it's time to head to our home for the night, the Dema Homestay.
Always an adventure.
Always. That's it for this deep dive into our past adventures. We are so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy videos like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.